everyone, and welcome back to First Step Meal Prep. My name is Kristen, and in today's video we are going to be making a peanut butter chocolate banana protein shake that I swear is going to taste like Reese's in a cup. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and bop that notification bell so you never miss any of my future recipe videos. And please be sure to check out that description box so you can get a free document that has macros, affordable grocery list, and a full recipe with directions. Alright, enough chatting, let's get to prepping.